By Bucky Holland Heating, Cooling, Plumbing.
All right, we're keeping our eye on a wintry mix headed to our area. Meteorologist David Guerrero with the latest tonight. What are you keeping your eye on, I guess, as we move into the evening hours, and what should people know?
Yeah, well, I'm tracking a system that will move on in. That's going to provide colder air and moisture needed for snow to develop. And right now we have the setup coming together. The models are coming into agreement that we will see some form of snow and wintry mix tomorrow morning. There's still some uncertainty on the specific totals and where we're going to see the specific totals as compared to other places here in central Georgia. But snow and wintry mix are becoming more likely. And once again, we have a weather impact alert because of this chance for tomorrow morning. So here are the details. It's for light snow and wintry mix. Now, the best chances for this is for places south of I-16. I'd say snow wintry mix is possible for all of central Georgia, but right now the forecast says that the totals will be higher for these places. And then once we get into the afternoon, we'll have sunshine and temperatures are going to be above freezing. So anything that falls is not going to stick and will melt in the afternoon and into the early evening. Now, because of the potential of snow and wintry mix all across our area, we have a winter storm warning for the majority of places south of I-16, so including Macon and Warner Robins. Now, the places shaded in the pink, they're within the winter storm warning. And according to the National Weather Service, they have the potential of seeing up to 1 inch to 3 inches of snow. Everyone else is shaded in a purple or light blue, and they're in a winter weather advisory, meaning that 1 inch of snow is still possible. So all of these warnings are in effect until 3 in the morning until 1 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. Here's a look at all the sky cameras across central Georgia. We're mostly cloudy and we're actually seeing some scattered showers at the moment. The current temperature in Macon, 57 degrees. Now the temperatures all across our area show upper 50s and some lower 60s. So it's been a warm day, a warmer than average day, but this is normal because this is the warm air being pushed ahead of the cold front. And we can see the cold front just north of Atlanta. So you can see the colder air towards the northwest. We see lower 40s in Huntsville and in Starksville, same thing in Birmingham. So eventually that colder air will move into our area and that's going to allow snow to develop. Here's a look at the satellite and radar. We're seeing scattered showers for places in Houston County, Macon County, and Taylor County. And we could also see more activity farther west in Alabama and down towards the south. Now, we are expecting continuous scattered showers throughout the rest of the evening and for the morning. But then eventually, once we tap into the colder air, all that rain is going to transition into snow and wintry mix around the mid-morning. So here's a look at the future view. Let's look over the scenarios, looking at rain over the next couple of hours. Eventually by the mid-morning, that's when the rain will transition into snow, and we'll have a swath of wintry mix and snow that will linger throughout much of the morning. Then it will head off towards the east and will be clear throughout Sunday afternoon. Here's another look at the high resolution model, another short range model that we use. Same thing, scattered rain throughout the rest of the night. Eventually by the same time, 4 to 5 o'clock, where the temperatures are at their lowest, the precipitation will transition to snow and wintry mix for most of central Georgia, and this will last throughout the rest of the morning. Then eventually it will clear out by the afternoon. So no matter what happens, this is not going to be a repeat of last year. Last year was just straight up historic, and the ground will be wet, so we won't see much accumulations. But once again, the highest potential for snowfall will be 3 inches in places within a winter storm warning. But once again, nothing is expected to stick because we will be above freezing in the afternoon. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast, weather impact alert tomorrow morning, and then we'll be nice and dry for the start of the work week.